Guangdong Deyuan Technology Company Limited's brand JAV was established in 2006, with its headquarters located in Guangzhou, China. It is an integrated enterprise specializing in research, development, production, and sales, recognized as a specialized and innovative enterprise, as well as a national high-tech enterprise. We focus on the smart commercial display industry, offering a comprehensive range of audiovisual solutions, including digital conferencing, paperless offices, video conferencing, educational tools, LED displays, and intelligent audio-visual systems. Our products are widely applied across various sectors, including government and corporate institutions, schools, educational organizations, commercial platforms, the financial industry, technology sector, real estate, and healthcare industries. Driven by technology research and development, we continuously innovate to lead new transformations in the commercial display industry, achieving numerous groundbreaking results. Deeply rooted in the smart technology industry, we leverage IoT, big data, and cloud computing to strategically expand across various segments of the intelligent industry. We have built a standardized industrial building covering over 40,000 square meters, equipped with multiple digital automated production lines, advanced aging quality testing systems, and high and low temperature environmental laboratories. Each year, we are able to produce up to 1.5 million units of intelligent interactive displays, efficiently meeting the growing demands of our customers. Deyuan Technology has received ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification, and its entire product line has passed 3C certification, Energy Efficiency Certification, RoHS certification, CE certification, FCC certification, and PSE certification. We drive high-quality enterprise development through product innovation and lead new industrial manufacturing with new quality productive forces. We have established a highly efficient marketing and management team to provide one-stop smart commercial display solutions for our global partners. Our products are sold to dozens of countries and regions, including the United States, Germany, the United Kingdom, and France, leading the development of the smart commercial display industry. We have formed strategic partnerships with world-renowned brands like Sharp and domestic brand Wanbao, and we maintain close cooperation with numerous Fortune 500 companies such as BOE, Samsung, LG, CSOT, CVT, JG, and Amazon, achieving win-win results with many partners. Integrity, cooperation, and win-win outcomes bind us together, propelling the development of the commercial display industry. JAV is committed to delivering value to consumers, providing exceptional service for a greater purchasing experience.
我们将以更高的标准、更优的服务，推动德远科技JAV品牌迈向新的高度。我们坚信，心怀梦想，永不联系，我们就一定能够抵达胜利的彼岸。
As a national brand, JAV actively participates in charity donations, volunteer services, and other public welfare activities, giving back to society with care and love. Behind JAV's transformation is countless effort and resilience. At Deyuan Technology, an unlimited future awaits for you to explore.